Namaste everyone, welcome to Centum CS. In the last video, we discussed about checking the template of the document, creating a template using inbuilt or saved template. In this video, we will be discussing about using online templates, importing, editing, moving, exporting, applying a template to a blank document. Let's begin with using online templates. Steps to view and select online templates provided by Writer are: from the main menu bar of LibreOffice Writer, select File, Templates, Manage Template. Template dialog box will be displayed. On to the left corner of the dialog box, you will get one icon called Browse Online Template. It is shown in the figure. To show it from my LibreOffice Writer, my version of LibreOffice Writer doesn't support online template. It has a different feature. From the dialog box, template dialog box, I'm supposed to select the extension. And those extensions which are given here, I'm not able to install it because extension requires the version more than 3.6 more. So my LibreOffice version doesn't support for online templates. So I'm explaining through images. You can find Browse Online Template here. So once you click on that option, the official template page will open. Download the desired template and save it on your computer. Open LibreOffice Writer, go to File, Template, Open Template. From the Open dialog box, browse for the downloaded template and click on Open button. The template file will open. Make the desired changes in the content or appearance. Save the file as a text file. Importing a template. After downloading the template, or if you have a template stored in Word document, so you can import it to make it appear in the list of the template in the template dialog box. How is it possible? Let's see. Consider I have opened a document. I want a particular template to be applied. So, File, Manage Template. I want to import template to my template category, fabric.ott. I want to import this, my template. Can you see? The category I have selected is my template and I have imported fabric.ott to my templates. One more thing. Consider template, manage templates, manage. I want to import table of content template of DOTX. Can you see what all the templates, what are the kind of templates what we can import to our document, to our template list .ott, .swt, .oth, .dotx, .dot. So list of the extensions are available here. This TOC template .dotx, I wanted to include this in my template. This is the category where I have included this. So we can import any templates either by downloading or if you have in a different tool which support template options, we can import. Editing a template. Steps to edit a template are File, Template, Manage Template. Template dialog box will be displayed here. We have seen this many a time. File, Template, Manage Template, Template dialog box will open. If I want to take fabric, right click on fabric and say edit. Open. You want to make any changes. For example, I want inventory manager at this, okay, right side. All the information should be placed at the right side. I want this change to happen. I want this change to happen to my template. I want to align this properly. Okay. Okay, this is the change I wanted to have. So when I open this, when I open this template, every time this inventory manager address, email, phone has to be displayed in this position. So I have to do, I have made the desired changes. I will save this. I will save this. I will save as template. I'll give another name, fab, then save. I wanted to open template, manage template, fab. Yes, see, can you see the fab template which I have opened will be saved with this changed feature. The next concept is moving a template from one category to another category. I wanted to change my category of this, for example, fabric. Consider I wanted to change the category of fabric which is in my template. I just wanted to move this to business correspondence and say okay. See, I'll select business correspondence. See, in business correspondence category, fabric category has been added. That's it. I wanted to move this nice template, move to other business document. It has been changed. It has been moved from here to other business document. See selected category and it has been moved to here. Exporting a template. Exporting a template lets you save the template file to a chosen folder. This is helpful for sharing it with other users, as it creates a copy of the template that can be easily transferred or sent to them. Steps to export template are given below. In the template dialog box, select the template to be exported, select export button. Select the folder where you want to export the template. Press on OK button and confirmation dialog box will be displayed. Set as default. In the template dialog box, select particular template and say right click and you can select set as default. Anytime you open the document, by default this template will be displayed. Let's check that. Templates, manage template. Right now, nice template is selected as default. In template, manage template, let me select fab and right click, set as default. Now fab template, what I have selected, I have made it as default. Then I say close. Close. I'll open new document. See, fab template is opened as a default template for the document. Applying templates to a blank document. Open a document in LibreOffice Writer by selecting File, New, Text Document. Consider File, New, Text Document. New text document has been opened. Select File, New, Templates to display the template dialog box. Let's open the template dialog box to this particular document. Template dialog box has been opened. Select the desired template. Consider this template I wanted this time and say open. Now what I have to do is I have to copy this. Select all. Control C. What did I do? Control A, so that I have selected all the content, and then Control C to copy the content. Now what I am supposed to do? Control V. I have pasted all the content to the new document what I have created. Then add or delete the content as desired and save the file as a text file. I want to put the logo here. Insert. This is the first change what I did, and I'll save it. Save as. They have asked us to save it in a text document. Once the template is created, it can be applied to an existing document by selecting Insert Text from File option. Browse and select the template file that has been saved on the computer. The selected template will be inserted in the document. Now, I have saved this document with the name 123. It is in text file. So what I am supposed to do is, I want this document to have that particular 123 text file as a template. So how I should insert that text file as a template? Now what I'll do is insert text from file option. 123 is the document, is the ODT document. It is a text document what I have saved, and I want the text document as a template. So I'll select 123 and say open. Yes, see my logo. I only changed the logo and I saved it with 123, and I wanted that text document to act as a template here. Then what did I do? Insert text from file. I selected and I selected 123 and say open. My document is now acting as a template. We have completed templates from chapter 3. Next video, we will be discussing about track changes. Till then, bye-bye. Inserted my logo.